Today I'm going to clean the face masks, and I do it by boiling them. So I have a kettle of water. I will add 1 drip of washing up liquid, and then I will add the face masks into the water. I cover the kettle with a lid, and then I let it boil for 10 minutes. And when the water has boiled for 10 minutes, I will pour out the water. Now I will add some water into the kettle to rinse them. The first water, I will pour it off and add more. And I add water a second time. I pour out water once again. I will try to press out some drips of water still before I put them to dry. Now the face masks will dry outside, it's good. The sun maybe also reaches them, which is very good. So I hang the face masks separately from each other, and now they will dry outside. When the face mask is dry, I iron it from both sides. When I have ironed it, it's just to use. So now it's just to use.